child, not even human, and that I should be choked.
Yo, what's going on, guys? What's up? What's up? How's everybody doing? Got to do a quick stream today, guys. I'm got to head to work. Just got home from the gym. Lasted a solid leg day. Healthy body, healthy mind, healthy portfolio, guys. You know what it is. All right, so we're going to cover a couple of things real quick here, guys. We're going to cover the news of the day. Let's get into the chat real quick. As always, guys, make sure you smash the likes and subscribe to help the channel grow. Would be greatly appreciated. Mary, thank you for your portfolio review. I appreciate you. Hey, no problem, Mary. I apologize that it took a couple of days, but we got to it. We got it done. I'm very impressed with what you have right now, for sure. Yeah, looking good. Looking good. I appreciate you too. Sun is hot. What's up, buddy? Good to see you, man. Good to see you. Nickel Hiss, what's up, big dog? Good to see you, bro. Good to see you, man. All right, guys, let's get into it here as we look. So we've fallen below the 3 cent level support level, but guys, that doesn't really make much of a difference. We still have 7.5 hours before this daily candle close. Look what happened the day before on this daily candle, right? We were down here, and then we wicked all the way back up and closed the daily candle above 3 cents. So probably going to happen again here. I'm sure we will wick back up over 3 cents, no problem. Get that daily support close over 3 cents. What's really important, guys, is that we close this weekly candle, the weekly candle, right? I mean, I would love to see about 5 or 6 daily closes above this 3 cent level before we get to the weekly, right? That's where things really start to get interesting. But I think we're going to be testing 4 cents in short order, to be honest with you guys. The RSI still has a lot of room for upside. So we're still fairly neutral. So looking good, man. Looking good. All right. So Brian, hey Rob. Hope you're keeping well, man. I'm doing good, brother. I'm doing good. Thank you, man. Kev, what's up, buddy? Hey Rob and Crypto Fam. Good to see you, man. Good to see you. All right, guys, we're going to jump into the news. We got quite a bit going on so far today. So we'll jump into it. And if you have a chart you want me to look at, if you have a question, just fire it over in a super chat and I will get to it post haste. Let's have a quick look over at the bubbles and see what's going on. So XRP had itself a hell of a day. Earlier today, it was up over 15.5%, guys. I did a video on it this morning. And what did I tell you guys in the video? What did I tell you in the video? I should have queued it up. I told you guys this morning to take profits because we were going to see a pullback. And sure enough, we saw a pullback. We went from being up 15% to being up 2.7%. So hopefully some of you guys took my advice and took some profits this morning when I talked about it. Hang on a sec. I'm gonna queue up the old XRP chart like we saw this morning. All right, so yeah, looking good. So this morning up here, I told you guys at 63.5 cents, take some profits, and we've wicked back down here since then. So hopefully you guys took some profits on that. If you watched the XRP video this morning, if you didn't, for shame, because you would have known that you could have taken some profits. And now I think XRP is going to have a bit of a red day tomorrow. That's what it is. People take profits and stuff. So had you took profits this morning when we told you to, you'll likely see a little bit of red tomorrow, probably come back down to around testing the 200-day SMA. And that would be a great time to put those profits you made back into XRP to accumulate even more, right? But again, if you're on the member side as well, we could have helped you out with that, guys, right? Click the join button, become a member. But if we go back over to the bubbles, let's see what else is pumping today, guys. We got some good opportunities. A lot of these have been pumping like crazy. KASPA's had itself a pretty good time. Miri has been pumping the last couple of days. I'm looking forward. I'll be DCAing this weekend. I will be picking up some more stuff. Hopefully we have a bit of a red weekend. Look at Corium. Someone was asking me, I think Blair was asking me about some low cap potential 50x projects yesterday, and I said that Corium was a good one to pick up, and sure enough, it's up 11.5% almost today. So love to see that. Turbo's looking good. I got to scoop up a big fat juicy bag of Turbo. I'm getting back in on H-bar, guys. I sold my H-bar at 19 cents when we had that pump about a month and a half ago, 2 months ago. And I rolled my profits into Swift, and now I am starting to enter back into H-bar at 7 cents. It's a great entry point, in my opinion. I'm going to start to load back up there. So, yeah, we got some good pump action going. Quant still under $100, $76 for Quant. I may start to reaccumulate some Quant as well. But, yeah, looking good, guys. Market's looking good. Okay, so let's get into the news here of the day. I don't have a whole bunch of time today, so what do we got? So Bitcoin is looking more bullish than ever. So guys, we're going to look at Bitcoin looking bullish. We're going to look at what's going on with XRP. We got a Jasmy article to go through as well, and then we're going to look over at the Dixie. So let's get into it. Bitcoin's looking more bullish than ever. So Bitcoin is more bullish than ever. Recent events have created a perfect storm for Bitcoin signals. From political moves to market trends, everything is pointing up for BTC. Donald Trump's pick of J.D. Vance as his running mate has also added fuel to Bitcoin's rise. Vance is known for as a crypto. The stupid hiccups. He's known as a crypto supporter and holds BTC. If Trump wins, Vance is expected to push crypto-friendly regulations. Boom! That's what we're talking about, baby. And also, side note, he also despises the ground that Gary Gensler walks on. So we will very likely see Gary Gensler unceremoniously walked straight out the door the day they win the election. That in itself is worth Trump winning. Even with the impending distributions of BTC from Mt. Gox, the market has been strong, pushing Bitcoin above 65K. The last 2 weeks were rough. Bitcoin dipped to 54K, and altcoins saw a 30% drop. People were panicking, but the market found a footing. It bounced back, and things are looking bright again. Jerome Powell, the Fed chair, mentioned progress in fighting inflation, and the markets are now expecting a rate cut in September. This is another piece of good news for BTC. Also, the spot Ethereum ETF is almost ready to go. The SEC has asked for final revisions of the S1 filings and fee schedules, and analysts expect trading to start July 23rd, which is like 6-7 days from now. As Ethereum goes, so too does Bitcoin, and Ethereum ETF would bring more institutional money into the market. Bitcoin's technical indicators are showing a mixed bag, but leading towards bullish. The 50-period moving average, the MA, is at 65,156, and the 200-period moving average is at 62,362. The current price is 65,067, slightly below the 50-period moving average, but well above the 200-day moving average. The RSI is at 47.83, close to a neutral mark. This means that the market is in a consolidation phase. It's either overbought, it's neither overbought or oversold, pointing to a balance. The RSI needs to move above the 50 to back the renewed bullish momentum. The MACD shows a bearish trend in the short term. The MACD line is at minus 39.52, and the signal line is at minus 30.66, with the histogram showing 70.18, minus 70.18. The negative values could make way for bearish pressure, but the overall market trend remains bullish. If we look at longer time frames, the on balance volume oscillator shows a value of minus 11. So the volume flow is not strongly favoring the bulls. Bitcoin needs to stay above the 200 moving average at 62,362 for a solid foundation. So hopefully we can get another daily close above that level. If it does this, we could see a rebound and push towards 68K on the downside. If Bitcoin falls below this support level, it could test 60. So if we can close the day above 62,362, guys, we could see a test, a push towards 68K. And if we don't, then we could see a retest of 60,000. So we'll see what happens, guys. But either way, if it goes up, we buy. If it goes down, we buy. We dollar cost average, baby. All we do is win, right? All we do is win. And then I'm going to actually jump over real quick to the Bitcoin chart. As you can see. So right now we're just below, or sorry, we're just above, oh, we're below, sorry, we're just below the 100-day moving average, right? But what we have to do is we have to stay above the 200-day moving average, which is down here, right? So where we want to stay above, oh no, that's not it. That's not it. We want to stay above 62. 62.3, which is right about here, right? Right about there. We want to close just above that blue line right there, right? For further continuation to the upside to test 68K. If we can keep this as support, a test of 68 would be next in the cards. So we'll see what happens. All right, what else is going on? Let's jump over to XRP a little bit, see what is going on this morning with XRP. So what's happening in XRP? Well, the rise continue. This data has doubled in the last 7 days. There's been an upward trend in Bitcoin and altcoins in the recent days. However, there are some altcoins that differentiate positively from the market. One of these is XRP. According to CoinDesk, interest in XRP futures has increased and almost doubled in the last 7 days. The increasing interest in XRP futures was also positively reflected in the price. While the increased interest in XRP futures shows that investors expect fluctuations in XRP's price in the future, XRP increased by 12.4% in the last 24 hours, leaving Bitcoin and many other altcoins behind. While XRP has increased by 40% in the last week, it has risen to 61 cents. It was at 63 cents this morning, its highest level since April. While this rise in XRP made investors happy, FX Pro senior analyst Alex, I'm not even going to try to say his name, stated that the recent bullish sentiment change in cryptocurrencies has significantly increased the price of XRP. Quote, XRP has been outperforming the market for a long time, but the reversal in sentiment in crypto led to a massive rally in XRP, once the largest altcoin. In the latest bounce, and if you don't know what he means by that, guys, XRP had actually surpassed Ethereum's market cap on 3 separate occasions before the SEC jumped in and gave favoritism to Ethereum and sued Ripple. While the rise in XRP is already continuing, he said that it should not be forgotten that XRP may need to rest after the sharp rise. And that's what I said in this morning's XRP video, guys. I told you guys to take some profits at the top. Hopefully some of you guys did. Finally, the analyst added that these levels are suitable for the peak in XRP because long-term consolidations were seen at these levels in November and December and March. The analyst also pointed out that the triangle formation has formed on the XRP long-term price charts and stated that this formation indicates a potential upward movement in the coming weeks. According to CoinGlass data, open interest in XRP futures has more than doubled to over 780 million, while more than 60% of recent positions are long positions. This shows that investors expect XRP to rise further. Yes, however, when you start to build up too much on the longs, you start to see a long squeeze, right? we could see a pullback because of it, right? So, yeah. Anyway. All right, let's jump into Jasmy, guys. What's going on with Jasmy? So Jasmy breaks past major resistance level. Analyst believes Jasmy is now headed towards 5 cents price target. The crypto market is very bullish following the latest market dip, and altcoins are flourishing. Bullish taking, are flaring bullish, taking Bitcoin's lead. The price of Bitcoin is up by 12% over the last week, bringing Bitcoin's value to 65,316. Amongst the many cryptos that are flourishing as well, Jasmy's price seems to be smashing past resistance levels as well. Just yesterday, Jasmy holders celebrated the fact that Jasmy flew past a major resistance at 2 cents 5 and 2 cents 9. Just as crypto enthusiast and Jasmy analyst Steph's Crypto predicted, Jasmy is now facing resistance at its next crucial resistance line. This barrier sits between 3 cents 1 and 3 cents 3. According to CoinMarketCap data, the price of Jasmy went as high as 3 cents 1 and is now back to 3 cents even. The same analyst says that if Jasmy were to break past this barrier, then the next critical resistance level for the asset to break would be the 4 cents 5 range. If these barriers are broken through, then the analyst believes that Jasmy's price will shoot up to 60 cents. Meanwhile, another Jasmy analyst shares the same observation, which is that Jasmy successfully defended the weekly retest and bounced off perfectly, just as they expected the altcoin to do. However, according to this analyst, he believes that Jasmy is on the direct upward trajectory to 5 cents. If this is true, then the price of Jasmy will break past the 2 cent resistance barrier mentioned earlier by Steph's Crypto. The 2 resistance levels, not the 2 cent levels. My bad. Indicating very bullish activity for Jasmy in the near future. So 5 cent to 6 cent Jasmy coming up, guys, in the maybe the next week or two. We'll see what happens. We will see what happens. Very bullish either way, guys. And again, we're going to have a look over at the Dixie here. See what she's doing. Again, guys, another day where we've wicked down. What we're seeing here, guys, and I've showed this multiple times now, what we're seeing is this level of support on the DXY. We're waiting for a complete collapse of this, and it's going to happen. We have the double top going on here. So we're going to see a tumble in this, guys, likely quite a ways down. So we just got to hold on tight for it. And when this happens, guys, probably over the next couple of days, maybe the next week, when we get this collapse, guys, risk on assets are barring any, super negative stuff, macroeconomic stuff, then we should see risk on assets like Bitcoin and crypto and even the S&P 500 really start to run as this collapses downwards, right? So hold on to your butts. We could see the Dixie finally take that breakdown that we've been waiting for. We'll stay on top of it. All right, guys, let's that's the news of the day. Let's get back into the chat, and then we'll got to get out of here and go to work. So let's see what's going on. Philip, what's up, buddy? Good to see you, man. G baby, what's good, man? Good to see you, man. Good to see you. James, how you doing, brother? Good to see you, bro. Good to see you. Nice to see my XRP bag look a lot healthier. Absolutely, man. Absolutely. Liquidity, what's up, man? Hey, everybody. Good morning to you all. Beebs, what's up, future crypto millionaire? Eduardo, hey, Rob, do you think Miria will do well? I know Miria will do well, my friend. I just did a Miria update video yesterday. I would recommend going to check it out. It is a Q2 review of their progress and the progress of the projects building over on their network. Definitely go check it out, Eduardo. I definitely think Miria is going to do fantastic. It's also an ERC20 token, so when the Ethereum ETFs go live, it definitely will benefit from that as well. Consolidating at higher lows, DXY dumping, getting to the ETF pump Trump advance. Things look ultra bullish, 100%, man. Beebs, Rob, I heard Trump picked. Yes, he did. 250K. Yeah, he's a holder. JD Vance is actually a holder of Bitcoin. So, and I was playing videos, I think it was yesterday or the day before. He hates Gary Gensler too. So very bullish. Brian, what's up, Rob Father? I heard this is the place for alpha. You heard right, brother. Kev, so when the Ethereum ETF is approved, we're going to see a pump or dump first. We'll probably see a dump first, to be honest with you, man. I've showed the charts multiple times on Bitcoin. About a week or two after the Bitcoin ETFs went live, we saw a bit of a sell-off, a bit of a sell the news event, and then things went parabolic after that, right? So about 3 weeks after the ETF went live, Bitcoin really started to go crazy in price. So we'll probably see something similar with Ethereum. So there might be some good buy-in opportunities for 2 or 3 weeks after the ETF goes live, and then we'll see a massive run-up if things follow what Bitcoin did, right? Richie Rich, what's up, buddy? Good to see you, brother. Good to see you, man. Whew. All right, guys, we burned right through the news. We made some good time today, man. Excellent. I got to get to work. All right, guys, so that is the news. We're all caught up in the chat. I got to get, what do we got here? Brian, thoughts on Helium Mobile? Picked up 1.1 million. I'm pretty bullish on Helium Mobile. I hold some myself for transparency. I do plan on picking up a couple of million myself. But right now I'm just still trying to finish up my XCN holdings first. And then eventually I'll get around to topping up my Helium Mobile bags. But I do plan on, I hold some, I plan on getting more. So yes, bullish, both thumbs up. All right, guys, have yourselves a fantastic rest of your day. And yeah, I got some more videos coming out later today, so make sure you check those out. And I will see you guys for tomorrow's morning live stream. Have a good one, guys.